This is Kim Cooper. I'll tell you what I mean. Let me take you to that wonderland that lies between heaven and hell, yin and yang, great and small. The river that flows to your sea, the volcano that erupts with his passion. Remember, the man. You know what I mean? He's the dream that makes you sweat. No, not yet. Wait. Oh, you're so sexy. He's the North Pole to your south. He's the fire and the... Oh, hold on, wait a minute. That's just a little too sexy.
I'm released, set free.
It's just all too sexy.
You wanna come, you